Welcome geometry students to class today on this Tuesday the 3rd. I hope you guys are doing well today. I hope you're ready to learn some more math. We have a lot to do, so let's go ahead and get started on this right away. This assignment was given to you yesterday. Please pause and put your name on it, and please turn it in now at this time, okay? So make sure sorry for yawning, guys. It's about a little bit after midnight, sorry. So guys, please make sure your name is on this assignment, and please turn it in now at this time. Incompletes. Let's see what we have here. Okay, this assignment here was given on Friday, and I did not get that yesterday from Caitlin, Ivy, Caleb, Dakota, or Will. Now, Caitlin, you might have been working on the test, maybe that's why you didn't turn it in, but either way, whatever. This assignment here was given on Thursday. This assignment on Friday. All of these people have incompletes, okay? So, if these are not turned in by Friday, they will become permanent zeros, okay? So please take care of this. Oh, copying assignment. Listen, if you don't know what you're supposed to copy, this video right now that you're listening to is called the intro video, okay? That's what I call it. If you do not know what you're supposed to copy, Caitlin, Ivy, Caleb, Dakota, Will, you go listen to the October 30th intro video, and that will tell you what you're supposed to copy and how many times, okay? Alright, moving on. Remember, if you miss one day or many days, it doesn't matter. The first day you come back, if we're taking a test or a quiz, you will take it. When you're out sick or out doing whatever, do not get behind on your videos. Today we're going to take a quiz, then take notes, and then work on your test corrections. The video today is about 2 more ways to prove that triangles are congruent. Remember, the other day we learned the SSS and the SAS method, side, 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 and side, angle, side. Today we're going to be looking at the angle, angle, side, and the angle, side, angle methods. One of them is a postulate, and one of them is a theorem. The teaching video is called Lesson 5.3. I don't have the time of that in front of me, so I don't have that, but that's the lesson for today, 5.3. Test corrections are due tomorrow. The help video is called Geometry, Track 2, Chapter 4 Test Corrections. You do not need to turn in the test with your test corrections, okay? You do not need to do that. So please keep that in mind. All that you have to do is turn in your test corrections. Test stats. Let me quickly look for those and see if I can read those to you. On the test, there were no A's. There was 1 B, 2 C's, 2 D's, and 5 F's. However, I refuse to curve those or do anything, because if the fill in the blanks would have been done appropriately like they're supposed to be, there would have been no F's at all. The lowest grade in the whole class would have been an 80. The lowest grade would have been an 80 if the fill in the blanks had been done. So, again, guys, I'm going to have you start copying these things to help you learn them better. But you're going to have to do that work and learn these fill in the blanks, okay? Now, the highest grade in the class was Jonathan with an 85. Jonathan Lefevre. So congratulations to him. If you want to check my work, every mistake was 1 point off. So add up all the mistakes and take off 1 point. Okay, at this time, please pause the video, pass out the quizzes, and once everyone has a quiz on their desk, then restart the video. Okay, numbers 1 through 3 are just like I told you in your notes. Fill in the blanks. Number 3, write a congruent statement for these 2 triangles. A congruent statement would be like, triangle DEF is congruent to triangle, I don't know, XYZ, okay? So you've got to write a congruent statement and make sure you do it exactly right or you'll miss it. Number 5, I've given you a congruent statement. Triangle MAP is congruent to triangle PET. List out the congruent angles and the congruent sides, okay? So in that first blank, you're going to put angle something is congruent to angle something, comma, angle something is congruent to angle something, comma, angle something is congruent to angle something. And the same thing with the sides. A side is congruent to a side, comma, another side is congruent to another side, comma, another side is congruent to another side. And you should be able to know those answers just by looking at the congruence statement. Okay? Alright, moving on. That's all for today, students. Please get started with your quizzes, then the teaching video, and then test corrections. Please